Living the dream, huh? All the way to the right. We're going to go through the orange cone on the right-hand side. There you go. Yep, aim for it. Unwind the wheel to the right. It's the orange cone on the right. Four left. Left, left, left. 1, 2, turn. There you go. Start squeezing. Unwind the wheel to the right. Full throttle.
Far enough through the game, I always went for the Gallardos.
Yeah?
Every time.
Nice, nice. Well, at least now you're living it, huh? Guarantee when you get home, you're going to put on a racing game and play a Gallardo again.
I wouldn't even make it home. I'm going to drive my Volkswagen. Probably never the same again.
All right, Christopher, do me a favor. State your first and last name to the camera.
Christopher Gates.
Hey, Christopher, this is Lloyd. We're in the Gallardo for 5 laps, correct?
Yes.
Awesome. I'm sure you've already know this, and I promise you get used to. All the mirrors are pointed to me.
Yep.
I want you to keep your eyes forward, look where you want to go, but keep your ears to me, okay? If I see someone behind us that we need to let pass, I'm going to grab the wheel, I'll turn the hazards on, and they'll proceed with their pass. Same thing if we need to pass somebody. Let's wait for their blinkers. But this time, Christopher, I'm just going to guide you on where to go.
Okay.
Out there, orange cone is braking, green cone is turning. Now, I want you to focus more on the green cones, connecting those dots. I'm going to tell you when to brake.
Right.
Make sure when I ask you to brake hard and firm in a straight line, no pumping. Then I'm going to ask you to smoothly and slowly release the brake. Guide the car's weight and momentum through the corner with smooth throttle and smooth steering to keep the balance of the car. Now, Christopher, once we see our corner exit, that's when you can gently squeeze your throttle in, okay? We doing paddles or automatic today?
I'm going to stick with automatic.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Any questions for me then?
Not that I can think of.
I got your back, you got mine?
Hopefully.
So, nah, we're in this together. All right, pull on the brakes for me. We'll proceed forward. I am going to keep the AC up because it gets hot in here.
That's fine with me.
Living the dream, huh?
Yep.
All right, all the way to the right. We're going to go through the blue cones. And we're going to stop at the last 2 cones on the left.
That is weird with the mirrors.
You'll get used to it. Because remember, where's the success?
In front of me.
Exactly. Don't worry, I got your back. Keep going. And brake. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Alright. Stay here. I'll let you know when to go. I'm going to wait for one more guy to go. 488, your hazards are on. Squeeze that throttle. Stay on the right-hand side. Go. Full throttle. Merge left. Keep going. Full throttle. Keep going. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Brake. Harder. Hold it to the right. Release. Good. Light throttle to the left. Point it first. Then squeeze to the orange cone on the right-hand side. There you go. Yep. Aim for it. Okay, we're going to stay wide here. Brake to the green. Harder. Release to that green. Guide me to that green. Good job, Christopher. Closer.
Going wide.
Oh, yeah. Stay far left for a 2 count. 1, 2, turn. Stay more left next lap. Okay, straight left. Eyes up to the far green on the left. Stay left for me. I'm going to let one car pass on the right. Okay, that's the race car. Okay, go ahead. Back to the right. Brake. Early left. Release. Straight right. Leather boogie. Go ahead. Keep some speed, Christopher. There you go. Make it straight. Back to the right. Good. Nice and smooth. Okay. Brake. Stay wide. Brake harder. Hold it. To the left. Release. Nicely done, Christopher. Closer. A little bit more throttle. Unwind the wheel to the right. Full throttle. Not too bad, huh?
No. You play the games for years, and the physics and reality sure are different.
Oh yeah. 3, 2, 1, brake. Hold it right there. Oh, hold it hard.
Sorry.
To the right, release. No worries. We're learning here, right? All the way here, squeeze to the orange cone on the right. Give me more speed. You got it, Christopher. Okay, again, we're gonna stay wide, double wide. Brake to the green, release to the green, guide me to the green. Okay, stay far left, okay? A little bit more throttle, far left. Left. 1, 2, turn. There you go, it's a better line. Straight left, a little bit more throttle, pass on the right-hand side. There you go. Okay, stay right. Okay, hug the corner since our line got messed up by them. All the way closer. Now brake, early left, release. Straight right, leather boogie, go ahead. Straight left, more speed. Straight right. There you go. Eyes up, back to the right. Brake. Hold it. To the left, release. Good. Closer. A little bit more throttle. A little bit more. Start squeezing. Unwind the wheel to the right. Full throttle. Keep going. Full throttle. Send it. It's fast, huh?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Brake. Harder. To the right, release. Good. Hug this left side for me. I'm gonna let the pista pass. He's cheating. He got a turbo on that. All right, back to the right. We have room to adjust our line again. Good. No braking. Ride the outside. Look left. Guide me there. Good. Okay. Far left. 1. Too early. It's okay. It's okay. We'll get it next lap. Hug this left side for me, Christopher. I'm gonna let the drift car pass. It's better to be behind him. Trust me. And this is going to be your only chance, Christopher, to give this cop a ticket. You better get him. Go ahead. All the way left. Good. Go give him a ticket, bro. He was giving me grief yesterday. All the way to the right. Eyes up. Brake. Harder. Hold it. Too early. All the way left. It's okay. You see the difference, though, right?
Yeah.
A little bit more throttle. Unwind the wheel to the right while squeezing. Good. When you're unwinding, start to squeeze, okay? Good. Full throttle. Send it. 3, 2, 1. Brake. Harder. Hold it. To the right. Release. Good. Light throttle to the left. Point it first, then squeeze to the orange cone on the right-hand side. Go ahead. Squeeze. Keep going. Brake. Stay wide. Stay wide. Release. Look left. Guide me there. A little bit more throttle. More. You got it. More. Good. 1, 2. Turn. Hug the right side. Let the Mustang pass. Keep going. Maintain your speed. Squeeze all the way left. There you go. Good job, Christopher. Not yet. Turn. You're a good listener, bro.
I'm trying.
Now brake. Early left. Take it. Release. Straight right. Leather dance. Go ahead. There. That was a clean combo. Go ahead. Make it straight. Back to the right. Good job, Christopher. Keep going. Brake. Harder. Hold it. To the left. Release. All the way. A little bit more throttle. Start to squeeze. There you go. See, you're doing good, bro. You're having fun. 3, 2, 1. Brake. Hold it right there. That's perfect. Don't get stronger. To the right. Release. Good. Okay, light throttle to the left. Squeeze that throttle to the orange cone. Nicely done. Good job. Remember, stay wide. Brake. Harder. Stay wide. I found your kryptonite. All the way left. It's all good. Far left. 1, 2. Turn. Okay, let's get that line back over here. Okay, eyes up. Straight left. Back to the green. Give me more speed. You got that. All the way left. Okay, patience. Turn. Closer. Good. All the way right. Now brake. Hard. Left. Release. Straight right. Leather boogie. Go ahead. Give me some speed. Nicely done, Christopher. Back to the right. Now brake. We are exiting going straight. What you think?
Awesome.
Good stuff, huh? You did good, bro. Good job. Give me some.
It was a lot more comfortable actually than riding in that Porsche because
You're in control.
Well, you're in control and it doesn't wobble as much.
Yes.
Because it sits on the ground because it's meant to do that.
So here's what I want you to work on for next time, okay? Try to be smoother on that steering wheel. Try not to yank it. Basically, you just want to push the wheel around rather than pulling it.
Right.
You'll notice it'll smoothen up. You can actually practice that in your car because that's honestly how I would recommend you to drive any car. You'll see that you'll jerk it less. You know what I mean? This way. You got any questions for me?
No.
Gotcha. Are you doing the drifting or anything else today?
No, this was it.
Gotcha. And then I don't know if anyone told you, just as a reminder, put me to the left of the yellow Gallardo right. Just as a reminder, every car here is unlocked, okay? So feel free to open and sit in them. Straight. And stop. Now foot off the brakes just because it's hot. And then at the end of the day, of course, don't forget to bring your USB back to video and check out to get your ID and your video. Cool?
Right.